Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're in the cat room right now, and today I'm going to fix a cat door, a cat flap, this particular one down here, so that our cat Bengal can all the time go in and out of the house. Join me, I will not talk much, just watch. This cat flap I have from Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. It's a simple one. Everything you need for the installation is included. So you have an outside, which is this, which in this case will be outside in the corridor, while this one will be the opposite part on the inside of the cat room, so that I can control the flap from the corridor, so that in case I don't want Bengal in the night in the house, I can lock it. You can lock it that it only goes one way, or of course the other way, that I can go from the corridor in the cat room but not back, or you lock it completely, then it doesn't go anywhere. I'll put the flap here on this side, so that when we move the door, the flap itself doesn't move too much. Then about this height should be fine. About here should be fine. So I'll mark it a little bit. Then I check for the fitting size of socket drill. Next bigger one, I think, is better. Yeah. Now I have to turn the door around to drill from the other side. Then we check again. So let's see, this one is now the corridor side, means this one goes in here, fits, and this is for the other side. Yep. So that means I can fix this side. Then we have here 4 blind knobs to cover the screws. And for the other side, this one will only be glued in. So one up here, one up here, and this one I will cut in half. So I went to cut those in half so I can put one on the side, then 2 under, and here another one on the side. Then we turn the door around again, one last time. Then we remove the tape pieces here. And press down. Now I can lift the door back inside, and this job is done. And done. So Bengal is free to go in and out. What more do we want? Job well done. Thanks for joining in. I hope you like this kind of videos because I'm going to post more of them. It's getting warmer outside, so I can do more walk around the house, and I will share it with you. Take care, till next time.